Assalamualaikum and good evening. Today we will continue our lecture, chapter 5 on understanding innovation. I like to quote from Steve Jobs, innovation is the only way to win. There is nothing wrong with the change, okay, if it is in the right direction. Quote from Winston Churchill, okay, that means that they are good changes, okay, if it is in the right decision. So I like you to watch the next video before I continue my lecture. Okay, the video you saw just now is talking about how to get inspiration, okay, how to get idea, how to be innovation, how to be creativity. He suggests that you have to know what you have, what is your core, what is your advantage, what you have that are different from others, okay, and combine it with other ideas. He said that innovation can be from scratch or combining with other ideas, okay. If you have a new idea, that is called discovery, and again that means you invent something. But there are lots of inventor out there that combine ideas from other industries, okay, from other artists, from nature. And if you want ideas, try to look outside of your current environment, okay, and think what is things that you can do to make a better innovation. All organizations need to change in order to sustain their current activity and develop growth, okay. The principal mechanism for change in any organization is called innovation. Innovation is a process of making change to something established by introducing something new that add value to customer. Okay, the definition of innovation itself, okay, there are so many definition. It also have in various discipline, okay. Innovation is discussed in various discipline, including in economics, in business, in engineering, in science, and in sociology, okay. Different discipline call innovation different name. Sometimes they call innovation change, invention, design, and creativity. But one definition that suit all definition of innovation is making changes to something established by introducing something new. By Oxford Dictionary of English 1998. Further discussion on definition of innovation is a process that transforms idea into output which increase customer value. It's one. Second one, it's also a process that gives benefit to organization, and a continuous process acknowledge the effect that learning has knowledge creation within the organization. Learning how to innovate effectively entails managing the knowledge within the organization and offer potential enhance the way the organization innovates. Innovation also can be applied to product, process, service of the organization. So, okay, after considering the core concept of innovation as applied in any organization, okay, innovation can be defined as the application of practical tools and techniques that make changes, large and small, to product, process, and service that result in the introduction of something new for the organization that add value to the customer and contribute to the knowledge store of the organization. Okay, we have discussed various definition of innovation, but the most suitable and most we can conclude on the definition innovation is this one, the application of practical tools and technique that make changes, large or small, to a product, process, and service in the organization that result to introducing something new, okay, to the organization, and also it add value to the customer Well, and most important, contribute to knowledge store of the organization. Okay, we're talking about driver of innovation or various factors that encourage an organization to innovate as the following. Okay, there are four. Number one is emerging technologies. Number two, competitors action. Number four, new ideas from customers, strategic partner, and employee. Number three, emerging changes in the external environment. Okay, I'm going to discuss on the first one, emerging technologies, saying that there are more resources for potential technological opportunity rather than to conduct their own large R&D. Okay, source of emerging technologies can include university, high technology startup, and competing organization. Okay, number two, competitive action. Action can provide benchmarking regarding which project or innovative to pursue. Okay, competitive action such as if you look at our handphone, okay, there are so many innovation happen in handphone market. Okay, each of the brand is their own competitors. Okay, which whoever have the latest technologies is the one with the competitive advantage. Number three, emerging changes in the external environment. Okay, all organizations are affected by changing in the external environment, and the changes can be another driver to innovate. For example, like your individual assignment. Okay, something happen like pandemic COVID-19. Okay, can influence the external environment to change, and how are we going to cope with the changes? And that one we have to innovate or doing something different from the norms. Okay, example, competition macro shift to political, economic, and technology environment. And now what happened to COVID-19 is going more to health. Okay, health environment that happen. Number four is new idea from customer, strategic partner, and employee. Nowadays, modern organization engaging as many as stakeholders as possible in the innovation process. This can be increased scanning capabilities, better information about the market need. Okay, categories of innovation, there are three. There is included number one, product innovation, process innovation, and service innovation. Okay, number one, product innovation is making meaningful changes. Okay, to physical product. Introducing, for example, introducing a screen-size TV, adding functions such as internet access to the TVs. Any existing product, and you have to innovate the product itself. Second is process innovation, making beneficial changes to the process that produce product or service. Okay, for example, building new system that can assemble a TV set faster and cheapest. If you see, we used to have a very bulk TV. Now we have very thin TV. We have LD and so many changes that we can see in TV. That is process innovation. Service innovation, making beneficial changes to service that customer use, changing the way the dealer sell new TV in order to cut costs, offering credit finance option to allow customer to purchase TV. Okay, these are the category of innovation that you can make in the organization. Number one, to the product itself. Number two, to process of making that product, and number three, a service to sell that product. Product innovation, like said before, is making beneficial changes to the physical product. Okay, related terms used in the product innovation is product design, research and development, new product development. The degree of change of a product innovation is based on the incremental improvement. Okay, additional to the product families, next generation of product, new core of products. Okay, such as if you see so many example like household product, your toothpaste, okay, how many toothpaste you have, how many kind of toothpaste you have, uh, shampoo, okay, how many kind of shampoo you have, okay. The first one is we have two in one, that is including conditioner and shampoo, and then we have three in one, conditioner, shampoo, and perfume, and four in one. Now we have seven in one of shampoo. That is an example of product innovation that we have in the market. The product development process, okay, for the next generation and new core product follow a familiar cycle by Cooper 2000. The cycle including ideation, preliminary investigation, detailed investigation, development, testing and validation, market launch, and full production. The second one of innovation in the organization is process innovation. Okay, process innovation is about introducing, okay, or introduction of a new significant improved method for production or delivery of the output that add value to the organization. Number two, the term process refer to interrelated set of activities designed to transform input into specific output for the customer. Okay, number three, it also related to all operational activity by which value is offered to the end customer. Acquisition of raw materials, manufacturing, logistic, after sales service. Okay, number four, process innovation gave organization and competitive advantage. Okay, they allow them to dominate market and more efficient value change compared to their competitors. Okay, process innovation is very important. Okay, there are many procedure, there are many process in making our product, okay, in making our product. Each of the process, okay, interrelated, okay, activities that will transform input to output. Okay, if this process, okay, is also related to operational activities, okay, including acquisition of raw material, okay, parts, and other important element in making the products. Okay. Number five, the application of technology such robotic enterprise resource planning system can change the process by reducing cost of variation of output and increase safety. Process innovation also including the application of certain human resource practice can improve the quality of the process, enhance motivation, and etc. Number seven, common approach process innovation are included GIT, TQM, Lean Manufacturing Supply Management. Okay, JIT means, okay, just in time, and TQM is total quality management. These are the common approach of process innovation. Just in time is talking about how to improve high volume production by reducing setup time and other form in efficiency such as the inventories. Okay, improvement achievement through coordination the flow of material through the process, so that the right material arrive in the correct location just as it needed. Okay, and then is ada total quality management, and then lean manufacturing, the supply chain management. Okay, each of these approach have different goals. Okay, like total quality management is to improve the quality of organization output, okay, to eliminate defects. That is quality management. Lean manufacturing to reduce all form of waste across the total organization system in order to increase value. Okay, seven form of waste such as transportation, inventory, okay, defective product, and so on and so forth. Supply chain management focus on managing follow of material, okay, information across the entire supply chain, and that enhance process, okay, the overall cost and increase value added responsive to the end customer.